Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Those are the two center pins. The second one's a negative, and the third one's a positive, and that's on a 9-volt battery.
Yeah.
To get it to light up, as you press that, you just have to switch the wires around.
Yeah.
I would do that, but I don't have a soldering iron.
Yeah.
Like STL elevators did.
St. Louis elevators.
Yep, 7 years ago.
7 years ago. Oh.
Of what?
What year?
I don't know, 7 years ago. That would have been 2019?
2019.
2019, you think so?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's his name. Her name is Jason. Jason.
His name or her name?
Her name is Jason.
A boy's name.
His-
Jason is a boy's name.
Jason's a boy's name.
Mm-hmm. So it's a he.
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 That's right. Okay.
Okay.
So Jason from STL Elevators, right?
From St. Louis
Mm-hmm.
elevators.
Mm-hmm.
Also known as St.
St. Louis.
Elevators. Came from all the way from Missouri.
Right. What you talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Mhm.